Here's what you need to know if you want to use recreational marijuana once it's legalized across Canada on October 17th. In every province and territory, there's a 30-gram limit on how much dried cannabis you can buy at a time. The same limit applies to how much pot you can carry in public at a time. In Alberta and Quebec, you'll have to be 18 to legally purchase marijuana, though Quebec's new government wants to raise the age to 21. The minimum age will be 19 across the rest of the country. You'll be allowed to grow a maximum of 4 plants per household across most of Canada, except for Manitoba and Quebec, which are proposing bans on growing for recreational use. British Columbia and Yukon plan to sell marijuana in both public and licensed private stores. Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and Newfoundland and Labrador will allow sales in licensed private stores. But Ontario's private stores won't be open until 2019. In Quebec, New Brunswick, and Prince Edward Island, the liquor boards or their subsidiaries will control the sale of marijuana. Liquor boards in Nova Scotia and the Northwest Territories will sell pot alongside alcohol. In the Northwest Territories, mail-order cannabis will be available for communities without a liquor store. Nunavut has no plans to open a physical store in 2018 and is proposing sales of dried cannabis online or by phone. Ontario's liquor board will control online sales starting October 17th. Every province and territory plans to offer online or mail-order sales. In BC, the Northwest Territories, Nunavut, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, and Nova Scotia, you'll be able to smoke pot in some public places where cigarettes are allowed, but not in vehicles or places that kids frequent. Watch out in Yukon, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, New Brunswick, PEI, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Smoking in those provinces will be restricted to private residences. That ban comes with its own complications, as condos and apartment buildings scramble to enact rules that would ban pot smoking inside units, on balconies, and in common areas. The sale of marijuana edibles remains illegal, with the federal government planning to introduce regulations in 2019.